So today we are going to be doing a reconstitution of a pediatric suspension. First is to verify the expiration date. The expiration date of the medication is 12/23. The beyond use date going off of the prescription is going to be 10/21/2020. The prescription's original date is 10/22/2019. The directions for the medication is to tap the sides of the bottle, add 15 milliliters of water to the bottle after mixing, store at 5 degrees to 30 degrees Celsius, 41 degrees to 86 degrees Fahrenheit. Shake well before using. May be kept for 10 days. Discard unused portion after dosing completed. Okay. With that, we're going to add 6 drops, and that's from the 0.3 milliliters. Milliliters times 20, which equals the 6 drops of the orange flavoring. And for the label, it says to take 400 milligrams, 2 teaspoons, or 10 milliliters day 1. Then take 3/4 teaspoons, 3.75 milliliters daily for 4 days. Discard remaining. Okay, so it says the correct days of dosage, which is the correct days. And I have my orange flavoring, the medicine mix. I have my graduated cylinder, my water, gloves, and my pediatric oral syringe. Now I'm going to wash my hands. Turning on my water, making sure it's warm, adding soap. Cleaning for the nails.
Three.
Okay, I'm going to put on my gloves. Okay, so it says to subtract the amount of all flavoring ingredients, 0.3 ml of orange flavoring, from the total amount of water needed located on the medication bottle. So 0.3 minus 15 milliliters equals 14.7. Using a graduated cylinder and proper procedures, measure the amount of sterile water needed for the full prescription. Okay, 15 milliliters. And it says to add the 0.3 milliliters of orange flavoring, which would be 6 drops from flavoring bottle. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then shake it. Make sure that it's completely mixed. And as soon as I'm done mixing, I'm going to pour it into the graduated cylinder so that you can see that it's completely mixed. Okay. Okay, now we are going to take our label . Our auxiliary labels. The initial and now to put additional label on the suspension reconstitution form. Okay. Okay, so just for, I was only given the one oral suspension, so just going with it. This is going to be dispensed together, packaged, clearly not open, but okay, so for the storage on the medication, it's supposed to be Sorry. It's supposed to be stored. Sorry. It's supposed to be stored at. Okay.
3.
Okay. So now that I what? So now that I gathered myself, so the storage for the suspension is at 5 degrees to 30 degrees Celsius, or 41 to 86 degrees Celsius, and the use is within 10 days. Anything after the 10 days, it has to be discarded. It's to be taken 2 teaspoons on the first day, which means today, the day of. Take 3/4 teaspoons daily for the 4 days. So the 2 teaspoons for the first day, and then the 3/4 teaspoon for 4 days after that. Anything after that, you discard. So after the 4th day, no more. And that's it. It's on the, and then this, with all the auxiliary. That completes that.